Hello guys, comment nous y bienvenue sur la chaîne de Best Fleur. Je retourne back avec une nouvelle vidéo pour nous. Avant qu'on commence ma prendre petit temps, remercier chaque monde qui toujours regarde les vidéos, qui toujours partage et qui toujours invite les amis à abonner avec la chaîne là. Et ou même qui passe sur la chaîne là, qui peut abonner avec la chaîne là, pas hésiter à faire ça. Vidéo pour nous aujourd'hui, c'est vidéo côté qui est Florence El Luche qui n'a une interview. So je vais quitter pour nous capable enjoy cette vidéo ça.
No, first time.
Ready? Alright, Andy. Music.
Yes. Welcome back to BTS Miami. As always, your favorite radio station and podcast to listen to. I go by the name of Dash's Clan. As always, I'm here with my two beautiful co-hosts.
Miss Layla Gray. Your favorite life coach, Carla D.
And we have an amazing celebrity guest.
Yes.
As always, and without further ado, we would like to introduce Miss Florence. For the people that don't know you, is it Florence Duray or is it Florence El Luche? Like
Florence El Luche.
So where does Duray come in? Like why did I find both of those?
Duray is my marriage name. It's my husband name. My handsome husband over there.
He was married. He was high.
Yes, and my husband is there.
How are you?
Hello, husband.
Okay.
Yes. So the artist name is Florence El Luche.
So is it husband El Luche?
Nah.
You got Joe. So why Florence El Luche?
El Luche means fight. And for some reason, I went to Puerto Rico, I guess, about 3 years ago. And while I was in Puerto Rico, I decided to change my name to Florence El Luche without even knowing the meaning. And then now I went and Googled what does El Luche mean, and I found out it's fight.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, it makes sense. I did some Googling too, so.
Oh, you did?
So I can definitely see why you like to call yourself that.
Yeah.
We've seen a lot of drama going on between you and Blondie. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that? What's going on there?
It's not really drama. It's just an ex-employee that, you know.
Oh. Ex-employee. So you used to work for her, she used to work for you?
No, she used to work for me.
Got you.
Oh, was it at one of your businesses or?
Yeah, Red Cosmetics. I own a cosmetic company, but I really don't want to go there. I really don't want to talk about
Got you.
that drama.
So you're an entrepreneur. It says, what are your businesses, or what are you getting into, like besides cosmetics? I guess.
I have different businesses. I own a restaurant, which is La Fouchette Restaurant, is in Miami. I have a tax services, which I provide immigration services. I do tax services, and I help out in different ways in ways that I can help my community. And it's called Duray Tax Services, and it's in Miami as well.
So how did you get to being an artist? That's a pretty crazy life.
I know, the pretty crazy 360, right?
Yeah, definitely. Like I do taxes and I rap.
I know. I mean, I've always loved to rap. I always loved music and everything, but if it fell on my lap, I'm just gonna take it and go with it.
Yeah. How do you have time to do all this? Because it looks like you're doing a lot.
I am doing a lot, and right now I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted because I was in my office for the whole day, but I do have help. I have my husband help. I have my mom's help, my sister's help, and I also have a nanny. So, I have an assistant. So I had to create a team to, do different things for me when I'm out and busy doing other things.
And so, seeing that you have so much going on, like how long have you actually been in the rap game? Like, how long have you been doing this?
It's brand new. It's brand new.
How brand new? Like months, years, days?
Time?
Like, I could say about a year, but
Were you like smoking weed and then like freestyle? And somebody was like, man, you should
No.
rap.
The first time I actually rapped and did a song, which I don't know where did the song go, it was in my pizzeria. I used to own a pizzeria, Munchie's Pizza.
What have you not done?
For real.
Wow.
I do everything, honestly.
Okay.
So that's when I did my first song, and I remember I was aiming at Nicki Minaj, talking about real ass, real tits, I ain't no Barbie bitch.
Ooh.
So, that's the first time I actually stood in a studio to do a song, and I guess it ain't go nowhere, but now I have the opportunity, to deliver something to my fans. So it's, I grabbed it and give it a shout now.
For the people that don't know, like fans from what? Like, 'cause clearly it wasn't fans from like the pizzeria or something like that. It was,
Of course.
Like,
It's fans from Facebook.
got you.
I have a lot of fans, which I call my nation. Shout out to my nation that's watching right now. Flow Nation, I love you so much. I have a lot of fans. And when I tell you I have a nation, I have a nation.
What is your following like?
Right now I have like 242,000 followers on Instagram.
Okay.
And Facebook, it's approximately 121. But when I do a live, I get approximately 18 to 20,000 views while I'm live. So
Okay. So people listening.
So would
Yeah.
you call
People
yourself
use
an
it.
influencer?
yes,
Okay.
yes, definitely.
An influencer capitalizing on the success and becoming an artist. Like, we see so many influencers now that like will come, that will have like a large following and will kind of just say to themselves like, you know what, I'm just gonna take advantage of this and kind of start doing music. And to be honest with you, not all of them are that good. You know what I'm saying? So is it like something that you were like more, I'm good at music, or more I'm gonna capitalize on this?
I think I'm good at music. Did you hear my song?
But I don't understand all of the music. No, not
But
too much.
when it comes to music, it's a feeling. You don't need to understand. Just
I
like
mean,
when
I'm
I'm
not-
listening to Spanish songs,
No, definitely.
I have the feeling, that bachata thing going on. It's like, yeah, I feel it. You need to feel it. When it comes to music, you feel
Like
it.
a really nice girl. For me, it just didn't seem like the type of music that I would listen to be honest with you.
For
That's my
real,
only thing.
a lot of people say that. Yeah, I get that a lot.
But listen, if it floats your boat,
Yeah,
keep rocking.
exactly.
Who was your musical inspiration? Like, who was somebody that you got growing up that you were like, man, I love, I don't know.
I mean, I love a lot of different artists. Growing up, I used to love Britney Spears.
Gotcha.
You too, right? I'm a Britney fan.
Okay.
And then after that, when everybody else was coming in, I liked Trina. I did like Nicki.
Are you born and raised in Miami?
No, I was born in Haiti. I grew up in Haiti for about 11 years. Then I moved to Miami since then. So
Gotcha.
I went to middle school here, North Miami Middle School. Then I went to
Okay.
North Miami Senior High.
So you're a Miamian.
I'm a Miami girl.
Gotcha.
So you mentioned you said you did like Nicki.
Yeah.
Don't like Nicki?
I mean, I do like Nicki. I'm
Oh.
sorry. I love Nicki.
But you said your first rap was a battle to her.
To her, at the time,
You like-
I was
you like
pretty
her music,
young.
just not her
Yeah.
Do you like Cardi?
I love Cardi. I mean, I love everybody's butt.
So who wins the your favorite, Cardi or Nicki?
You know what? They're different.
But you gotta
You
pick.
get
You
a
can only
different-
get a feature from one of them,
If I
One.
and it's gotta be a diss to the other one.
Damn.
Yes.
I think I would pick Cardi. We gonna diss the queen.
Okay, Nicki,
El
yeah.
Luche.
You living up to
Yeah.
that name.
I'm sorry.
Living up to the name.
We don't do the queens over here.
Gotcha.
If you had to choose, that's what it would be.
I mean, if we had to diss, it'll be Cardi.
I got you.
Yeah.
Right.
So who does Florence listen to on a regular? Like, if you had to choose anybody, who you listening to?
Honestly, I love my Haitian artists. So are you talking in general, or are you going straight
Like, what's on your
American?
playlist? You get in the
You
car.
know?
Like, who are you listening to?
Shit, I listen to my Haitian artists. I listen to, Kai. I listen to Vibe. I listen to other things. But I do have Nicki.
Okay.
Do you listen to Roberto Cabe?
Who's that?
Oh,
No,
man.
Richard.
She said
Richard
Richard.
Cabe.
That's what I said. Yeah.
Roberto.
I know
I
Cabe.
know. Yes, I do.
Come through me.
We found our group.
To the rescue, Dashes.
Great job.
Yeah, but I do listen to Richard Cave. That's the first one I mentioned because
We
he's
met him last week.
here.
Super dope. guy.
Yeah.
Seems super
I
talented.
love him. He's Kai.
He's
His
fine,
band
man.
name is Kai.
Gotcha, yes.
Yes. So
what I said.
that was the first one I
You
mentioned.
said it, and I was like, wow, I know Creole music.
Kai. Yeah. So Yeah, and I listen to New Look. You know, I was a model in New Look video. I was a model in Defo, so Impossible. So I listen to all my Haitians. You know, that's the first thing. When I get into my car, I do listen to my Haitian artists. Then I listen to Future, like Future, Cardi, you know, and everybody else.
The American stuff.
The American
You're real
stuff.
versatile when it comes to your music.
I'm sorry?
I said you're real versatile when it comes to your music.
very
diverse.
very diverse.
I think that kind of goes across the board with you because you're a model, actress. I mean, you're doing so much.
Yes.
Like how does it happen? You're doing so much.
I don't know. For some reason, my brain is always working.
Okay.
I don't even sleep. I can't sleep because my brain is always functioning. It's always doing something. I'm always thinking about something new. I'm always thinking about coming up with something new. It's like I don't feel comfortable if I'm just sitting out there and not doing anything.
I agree.
That makes sense.
I really want to touch everything.
Yeah.
Do you find challenges in what you're doing, like in becoming a musician?
Yes, I do.
Like, what are your biggest obstacles that you think that you have to basically? I mean, you're a new artist, so you're gonna have to defend yourself. You're gonna have to make a name for yourself in the music world, because just because you're a successful model or entrepreneur, it doesn't mean that
they're gonna accept me. Exactly. And that's one of my challenges, because sometimes they tell you can't sing, you can't rap, you can't do this, you can't do that.
How do you deal with that?
Honestly, I don't give a damn.
it is music something.
Merci à vous même qui te passe sur channel ça, qui te regarder vidéo ça, pas hésiter à quitter un commentaire guys pour nous avoir avis par nous des vidéos ça. Merci, ciao ciao.